In this tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through how to turn on microphone dictation to write without typing. You can use the microphone dictation feature on your Apple Watch to write messages, replies, or search without typing. Here's how to turn it on and use it. To turn it on, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings, you have to scroll down and open general settings. In general settings, scroll down and here you find this dictation. Tap on that and just enable dictation. Once the dictation turn on, now open message, mail, or just open or search for anything on your Apple Watch. Just open the keyboard. In here, tap on this icon and here you have to select this microphone option. Now you can easily write anything without typing using your voice, just like this. Thanks for watching.